You searched how to buy shares of Crossing Credit Agricole Mutuel Loire Hte Loir, a regional French banking group listed on Euronext under the ticker CRLO.PA. This video is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. Always research before investing. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify the account, usually by uploading an ID document, and add funds to your balance. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker CRLO.PA to find the correct listing. Make sure the result shows Crossing Credit Agricole Mutuel Loire Hte Loir on Euronext before proceeding. On the stock page, you'll see basic company information and a price chart for CRLO.PA. Confirm the name and exchange to ensure this is the right share. Select the Invest or Buy button, choose the amount you want to purchase, then review the order details carefully and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in the portfolio view. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to explore the platform used in this demonstration.